Hello, Wonder friends. Welcome back to Wonderville Studios. Today we're going to draw a bee. We're going to have a lot of fun drawing this bee. Before we get started, though, I want to talk to you about something that I want to make sure you understand about yourself. That you are really unique. That you are really special. There's only one of you, and that, to me, makes you super awesome and super special. So next time you feel like that there's nothing cool that you have to offer, or maybe that you think that maybe you're not good at something, understand that I think that you are pretty amazing. Don't let anybody tell you you're not. You can do and be those things that you want to be. Just learn how to embrace your uniqueness. Let your freak flag fly and embrace the specialness that is you. Let's get your markers and some paper and let's draw this bee. All right, guys, so let's draw this bee. Let's have a little fun. So I want you to have your paper, let's do it vertical. So up and down here. You can use your favorite marker, paper, whatever you want to do to make this bee, and we're going to kind of keep it right in the middle here. And the first thing I want you to do is draw one oval just like that. And then right next to it, we're going to attach like a C. So we have two circles, looks like they're overlapped. And then I want you to draw one line down just like this. And then from that line, we are going to draw a circle, or I'm sorry, a little curved line back, and we're going to stop just right before that eye. And then you're going to draw a little half circle back that way. From the back of this circle, I want you to draw a J that is kind of standing on its head, just like so. And then from this line, I want you to draw a U shape that's going to connect this line and this line together, just like so. So now we kind of, if you can see here, we've kind of started our body of our bee. Okay, from back here, I want you to draw a kind of curved V. So it's like a V that goes down and then goes right back up. And we're going to put circles right on the ends of those. And you can fill them in if you want, or you can leave them blank, up to you. And then I'm going to draw a little line right there too. And then, of course, our bee, right, has bee stripes, yes. So to do that, you just draw little lines just like that. And you can fill them in black, or if you want to paint them a different color, it is totally up to you. I'm going to fill them in black, just like that. Okay. And then once you get there, of course, you know, a bee known for the stinger, right? So to do that, you're just going to draw a V that is coming right off its booty. Just put a V right there. And to make its wings, what you're going to do is you're going to draw like a shape just like that. And then one more just like that right behind it. Okay. So you kind of have these two lines just like that. And to do the arms, we're just going to draw a line just out like this. And then from here, we're going to draw another arm that comes down like this. And don't worry about it overlapping there because it won't really matter, because if you think about it, the black marker is going to make sure that it cancels out the other one anyway. At the end of it, just put circles on the ends of your lines, and we're just going to draw little lines off of them, just like so. And then feet, same thing. Draw two lines down and just draw flat circles and just fill those in. And now we have those. Now our eyes on our bee, to do that, we're just going to put another oval right inside, just like this. Just like that. And then one of the tricks to show like the inside of the mouth, like we've talked about in a lot of other videos, is just to draw a line inside there. And if you put just a little half circle right there, that kind of gives the idea that there's a tongue inside of here. And I'm not really sure if bees have tongues. I don't think they do, but they may. But I don't think that bees look like this, right? We've seen a bunch of them. And to make the wings, just draw a line right down the middle. And then just do a couple little lines off of it, just like that. And then that pretty much is our bee. And what I'm going to write up here is BU. something that I think is really important. It is really important to me, and I hope it's really important to you, that you do really know how special that you are, and that there is only one you. And so the best way to be, haha, is be you. So make sure that you sign your name on it so everybody knows who made this awesome drawing. And until I see you next time, guys, be the weird that you want to see in the world, be nice, be you, and inspire others. See ya. Hey Wonder Friends, thanks for drawing with us. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We upload new videos all the time. Now with the help of your parents, we'd love to see your drawings. So make sure you have them uploaded to Facebook or Twitter. They can find us at Wonderville Studios. We would love to see what your drawings and your creativity and your uniqueness come to life. And until we see you, be nice and inspire others. See ya!